everybody. This is William Brown with Bone Films. And today I just want to do an unboxing of my Lumix S9 that I just recently purchased from MPB.com. And they have a lot of great used products. I decided to go used, number one, to save money, but that's the biggest thing. And two, I could use that to buy other accessories. So this is my first time purchasing from them, and I have to say I was definitely pleased, and I would definitely buy more products from them in the future. They see NPB.com, a lot of great things, and the ship actually was pretty fast. I ordered it what, maybe 3 days before, and it arrived. So, and I chose standard shipping, so I could imagine if I did priority shipping. But I got the camera and I bought the kit separately. So I ended up getting a 20 to 60 millimeter lens and the camera. And as you can see, the lens was in pretty good condition. It looks like it's barely been used. And the camera as well. And it was the cheapest that I could find, researching and looking around. Definitely happy. I got both the S9 and the 2060 millimeter for under $1,000. So I was really happy with that. And as you can see, the camera is in really good condition as well. And also the little bonus that I got, it came with a L bracket from Small Rig. So I was happy with that. But in the future, I will get a actual cage, and also comes with a charging cord as well. So very pleased.